Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video, a new weekend. I'm here at Anguk today again, and it's the perfect weather to sit outside and enjoy the terrace weather. I'm going to do some shopping in Anguk and also go to Myeongdong. Myeongdong तो आपने बहुत बार देख लिया होगा मेरे vlogs में, but I'll still show if I shop something from there and also put a shopping haul at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So after the cafe we stopped at an area to take some pictures because the lighting is so good. There are warm lights everywhere, and you know, brown tone, Indian brown tone, warm lights go so well on our skin tone. So we just took a few pictures. Maybe I'll put it on Instagram and I'll also pop it up here. So please don't forget to follow me on Instagram too for daily life updates in Korea. But yeah, and we were going to go to a store in Anguk, but I think it's already closed because it closes at 8 p.m. So we will directly head to Myeongdong because it also has one branch in Myeongdong. So let's go. So good. Up from Verish and now we are at Spao. So let's see if I get something here. Probably I wouldn't shop more because यहाँ पे बहुत पैसा खर्च हो गया. But anyway, this is how the shop looks. This is the shorts I might get. I like the fitting and it's so good for summers. At home almost, and it was so tiring because in Korea you have to walk a lot, and we went to Anguk first and then we went to Myeongdong. We did shopping and I got some fruits, and now I'm home. I will cook dinner and maybe sleep, so I'll see you tomorrow. जगह as you saw हमने थोड़ा सा shopping किया and now we are looking for a cafe, but I think before that we might go to a flower market to get some flowers. And yeah, but before that I went to the eye doctor because I have like infection maybe from my lens, so be careful guys. My eyes are so blood red, but anyways,
You have pretty eyes.
she says I have pretty eyes, so thank you.
I was on my way, I was almost there, but the monkeys, they all read now appearing nowhere.
We went to the flower market, but then we were late because the flower market was already closed. But still, my friend got the lucky bamboo plant which she was looking for a long time. So at least कुछ तो फायदा हुआ जाके. And now we are finally going to a cafe. बहुत ज़्यादा तलब लगी है कॉफी की. I don't know if that's the right word, but anyway.
Oh, quiet oceans, they kiss your feet. Snow bows to your breath. How can I compete? The mirrors are slanted, my reflection's still there. The marquees, they all read now appearing nowhere.
Hi guys and welcome to the next day. It's Monday today and we have like a public holiday in Korea because yesterday it was Buddha's birthday, and because it was on a Sunday in Korea, they basically gave a replaceable holiday the next day. So today is a holiday. Yesterday, as you saw, we went to the Shinsegae department store and I got a YSL lipstick from there, and then we went to a cafe. And I honestly did not shoot a lot because I was not in the mood, and I don't know why, I was just so tired. I'll show you the lipstick that I got. I love the packaging of this YSL lipstick. So it looks like this, silver with the logo in the middle. This is the color. Oh yeah, and I also got this night suit yesterday from the Namdaemun Sijang, which is like one of the most oldest Sijang in Korea, and I love how soft this night dress is and how it looks on me. It's just a bit loose, but maybe I can just do with it because, you know, night dress is supposed to be comfy. But yeah, anyway, today I'm going to my Onni's place and she's making chicken curry for me, like the Indian style chicken curry, and I love it.